Welcome to Explore Travel TV. My name is David L. Peters, and this is another episode of Explore Vegas. And I'm doing a little strip walk. I tried doing a live stream, and the cell service was horrible. The quality was horrible. People are saying they couldn't hear the sound. And I have a 5G cell phone and wireless system for audio, super duper setup, and apparently it didn't work very well. So I'm on my GoPro now, and I figured I would try and just get some strip walk on video for you guys. So enjoy. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more Vegas stuff. But I also do travel tips and tricks and other travel type things as well. So check out my channel. And since you have to wear masks, I got my, can't see me, my Las Vegas mask here. Las Vegas skyline. If you're interested in this, I'll leave a link down below where you can pick one up before you come here to Vegas. And this is, what is it, Sunday afternoon in March, so you get a chance to see what it's like right now. So all right, let's go take a look.
Let's go dancing in the city lights. Painted red, gonna be no better time.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Pick up your feet and hold on tight.
And there ain't no one gonna tell us no. No, let's go. No hesitating. We gotta move, we gotta shake, we gotta get up on our feet and liberated.
Oh, and down he goes to the graveyard with 60 seconds left. 60 seconds.
He says, oh, let's go. Let's go. The sky is lit and it's gonna be a good night. What's mine is yours if it makes you feel alright. I wanna dance, I can feel it in my bones now. Feel the pull, oh, come on, let your body flow. So let's go. No hesitating. We gotta move, we gotta shake, we gotta get up on our feet and liberated. You feel like something's out of control. Your mind says yes and your body says oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. No hesitating. We gotta move, we gotta shake, we gotta get up on our feet and liberated. Let's vibe and levitate it. We gotta shout, we gotta sing, and we make no apologies, we're celebrating. Feel like something's out of control. Your mind says yes and your body says oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go.
Hey guys, we decided to stop at this sushi burrito place for lunch, so let's gonna go in and give it a shot. Let's try it out. All right, so you guys, at this sushi burrito place, you can get it in a burrito, which is just basically wrapped in seaweed. You also can get it wrapped in a tortilla, or you can get your stuff put into a bowl, like I'm gonna show you right here. That's my buddy Christopher's bowl that he got. He's filming some stuff out here with me as well. So anyways, we're here enjoying our lunch, and it's pretty good stuff. I like it. You should come down and try it. It's over here by the link, down this walkway where you can see all the, a lot of shops and restaurants and stuff like that. It's down there. So anyways, I want to finish eating and we'll go back to the strip.
You wanna see the sunrise, starry nights and endless seas. standing next to me? Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel the warmth beneath your feet? 'Cause you're standing next to me, yeah. 'Cause you're standing next to me.
Okay, everybody, that was just the quick little walking tour of Las Vegas here on Sunday, mid-March, and we're here at the Links, kind of where we ended up. As you can see, there's a lot of people walking here behind me. So that's about it for today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I do appreciate it, and hit the subscribe button down below. I have no idea if you guys can hear me very well or not because we're outside. I'm on the GoPro. There's a microphone system set up. Anyways, that's it. We'll see you guys next time.